In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best indoor smart gardens in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. AeroGarden is one of the early leaders in at-home hydroponics and indoor gardens. It's her top choice because there are a lot of options to choose from countertop gardens to larger units that will hold more than 20 plants, or pods. With widespread availability, we also like that you can often find AeroGardens in replacement pods at local garden centers and stores. All of AeroGarden's units are quite compact, and most are designed to sit on a countertop. They all come with an initial seed kit of your choice to get you started. Several of the models feature different housing colors, like black, white, or sage. You can usually find pretty good promotions and deals, either through the AeroGarden website or other online retailers. They have good customer service, which I know from experience when I was missing a variety I ordered. So if you have any issues, just reach out and they'll try to make it right. Number 4. This self-watering, self-fertilizing unit is both stylish and functional and has a range of customizable options. The farm stand can be used inside or outdoors, but if you're looking to grow indoors you'll want to be sure to include the glow rings lights. The different sizes can hold anywhere from 12 to 36 plants. You can buy seedlings as individuals or bundles, and the body of this vertical garden is made from ocean-bound plastic. Don't worry about daily maintenance, there's very little. You'll just adjust the water and add a few scoops of the included fertilizer once per week, and clean the stand once per season. According to Let Us Grow, the farm stand uses 95% less water when compared to traditional gardening. There's also an app to help you learn about how and when to harvest. Number 3. With dimmable, 50-watt LEDs that mimic the full spectrum of light from sunrise to sunset, the AeroGarden Bounty Elite provides conditions to grow plants up to 5 times faster than in soil. It only has space for 9 plants, but thanks to an extendable lamp arm, it offers a growth height of 24 inches. This allowance makes it well suited to growing tall plants such as tomatoes and bell peppers. You can monitor and control the Bounty Elite from the AeroGarden app and via any Amazon Alexa-compatible device. You can use voice commands to check your garden status or turn its lights on or off. The built-in touchscreen on the unit also shows water levels and grow times, alongside access to light controls and garden tips. Number 2. Circular AeroGarden Harvest 360. Among the smallest AeroGarden models, includes 6 ports for seed pods. The starter kit provided various lettuces. Of the 4 gardens, the AeroGarden was the most fun to use, in part because most of the lettuces sprouted in a week and grew fast. But the unit also was relatively easy to operate. Total setup took just 8 minutes. After that, 2 flashing lights at its base told me when to refill the tank with water and add nutrients. A couple of capfuls of a solution formulated by Miracle Grow. Once the lettuces were mature, I was able to harvest a handful of leaves every day, not enough for a full salad, but enough to stuff into a sandwich or add some freshness to store-bought greens. The one nuisance was emptying the tank of water every couple of weeks and adding fresh tap water. I used a turkey baster for the job. AeroGarden sells a dedicated siphon for about $15. The AeroGarden Facebook community suggested some other, low-cost solutions. That AeroGarden community, in fact, was a font of information. When I discovered aphids on my lettuce plants, my cry for help generated a lively conversation and dozens of recommendations. I ended up harvesting all the plants, and rinsing and eating them. AeroGarden provides how-to videos, various guides, live chat, and a newsletter among its online resources. Independent reviewers have created additional how-tos for this popular brand. The AeroGarden app offers maintenance reminders for some models, but not for the AeroGarden Harvest 360. AeroGarden has a 1-year limited warranty on the materials and workmanship of its machine and grow lights. and guarantees it will replace a non-germinating seed pod. I took advantage of that last promise. When one of my lettuces failed to germinate, the company sent a new seed pod within a couple of weeks. Unfortunately, under the shadow of the other plants, it didn't thrive. I would have done better holding on to it and using it after the other plants finish their growing cycle. AeroGarden sells more than 120 seed pod kits, holding 3, 6, 9, or 12 pods each. Prices range from $14 for a 3-pod to $31 for a 12-pod, without coupons applied. You can also buy pods with only growing medium, if you want to use your own seeds. Number 1. With the Garden 2.0 vertical indoor garden, you can grow up to 30 plants in spaces as small as 2 square feet. 2 rows of 60-watt LED lights, each fitted with 15 pods, extend vertically out of the 6-gallon water tank. These pods hold individual garden cubes growing pots of seeds. You can buy cubes in a variety of options or purchase empty cubes to put your own seeds in. Sensors inside the tank monitor water levels, temperature, and humidity. You can view the readings on the Garden app, where you also get alerts when the system needs attention. 2 5-megapixel cameras also let you remotely check in on the progress of your plants. You need a membership if you want more monitoring assistance from Garden's AI assistant Kelby. However, this subscription provides plant coaching from Kelby and 10 cubes to use toward a selection of over 50 plants a month. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.